and welcome back to Sleeper Barbecue. My name is Lance. Today we're going to make some beef tacos, steak tacos to be exact. I saw a cut of meat at the grocery store that I've never heard of. It's called CAB, C-A-B, chuck eye steak. Haven't seen it before, but we're going to use it on the Blackstone 36-inch griddle top and make us some tacos. We'll bring you back here shortly. All right, I'll bring you on for this last one here. Sir, CAB chuck eye steak has been marinating. And I'm just going to slice it up thinly, getting it ready for the flat top. That's all I'm doing. And you ought to know me, I am not a person that likes fat. So I'm going to flip this over, start cutting from the other side. And the dog's going to eat good tonight. So that's about it. Let me finish my job, then we'll bring it back. Starting this bacon first, yeah, it's going to get cold before I need it, but I'll keep it over here on the right hand side, keeping it warm somewhat, but more importantly, it's adding another layer of flavor for this CAB chuck eye steak. This jalapeno bacon, just adding another layer of flavor with that grease that's coming off this bacon. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this CAB chuck eye steak on right on top of all this jalapeno bacon grease. And we're gonna let it go. Man, you can smell the bourbon in that stuff. I know you're hearing that sizzle. Watch it pretty close because it's thin. We'll bring you back. All right, we ain't too far from being done. Love how that marinade sauce is just carameling right now. Carameling, thickening up. Alright, let's incorporate our onion and sliced Poblano peppers. Alright, let's add a little bit of my new favorite cheese, that panela. This stuff is so good. It's friable. All right, let's get a cover over this. Lightly toasted tortillas. Bring out the big guns. All right, let's start the build. Get some of that jalapeno bacon on there. Nice and crispy so you can bite through it. Alright, there they are. I'm gonna make them healthy. Adding a little greenery to them. And a couple drops of lime. Alright, Michelle, aka Mrs. Sleeper, is already eating. She didn't want no sauce. But this Verde sauce and me are becoming friends rather quickly. Nice crunch from the bacon. Tortilla shells got a little crisp to it. Now that's a taco I could eat every week. Excellent. We'll bring it back. Well, that's it.